Hey friends, I have a quick haul to share with you. I purchased some things from scrapbookDOTcom for an upcoming Christmas project. I will be creating a advent calendar soon, and the tutorial will be up about mid-November, so be on the lookout for that. I also share updates and things over on Instagram. If you are not following me, I will have it linked down below. I purchased the new Tim Holtz paper, as well as some of the ephemera and other items. So I thought it would be fun to share it with you guys. The paper is absolutely beautiful. So here is the paper I'm going to flip through. So there is lots of wood grain in here, red, green, the pomegranates, the black, another wood grain. Just beautiful paper. Just can have a little bit of a closer look here. Whoops, going too fast. Love the polka dots, the black polka dots. And then this one is probably one of my favorites. So I purchased 2 packs of those because, again, I will be making an advent calendar and I will be making some envelopes. And I probably should have gotten maybe 2 more packs of paper, but that's okay. So this is 8x8 paper, 24 papers. They are double-sided and they are pretty thick paper as well. So this one is called Christmas Noel. And if you are looking for the supplies that I am showing, all of the links will be in the description box for you guys to check out. So I got the layers. I would say this is an ephemera pack, but it's just called layers. There is 31 pieces in here, and as you could see, some of the images are larger, some of them smaller. I absolutely loved the numbers. That's why I purchased it. And the special delivery, the hands, the pointing hand always gets me. I love that. And the vintage Santas, I absolutely love it all. So I got that one. Then I also got the ephemera pack. This one has 57 pieces. Again, lots of great vintage ephemera pieces, some candy canes, some deer, the vintage. I love the different styles of the Santas. Gives you a nice variety. And a little doggy with Merry Christmas. The pointing finger again. Love it. I love it all. So got that one as well. All right, then I got the vintage Flair. I absolutely love these. These are 12 pieces, and it looks like there is 2 different sizes. And it looks like you just kind of went to a vintage market or antique store and just grabbed these. They are amazing. I love them. All right, another item I purchased for my Christmas project is the label tape. I absolutely love it. So one says believe, 25 wishes, peace, joy, and wonder. And then the other one just says Merry Christmas over and over again. So I really love that. And there's 2 rolls with 2 yards per roll. And I don't know how thick it is, or how wide it is, I should say. But yeah, so that is that. All right, so what I'm going to be using for my advent calendar is this box. This is a tray. The envelopes aren't going to be too large. I'm not going to be doing anything super fancy with it. I just thought it would be fun to do something different. I did do a huge box one year. It took me a lot of hours to do all of the folded boxes and put everything in it. That was when my kids were a little bit younger. Now they're a little bit older, so we'll see what I do with it and what kind of goodies I can put in there and fun things. All right, so next thing I purchased was the vintage clips. I've been seeing these around on different projects here and there, and I finally decided to pick them up. I absolutely love them. I'm probably going to need a couple more packs because I see myself using them often. Then I got the buckles. I really love these. I want to incorporate maybe 1 or 2 on some of the envelopes for my advent calendar. So I got those as well. I also got these hinges. I thought these were really nice for maybe the side of the box or something. They're really nice detail for the box. Right, I also got some stamp sets. I love these butterflies and moths and the bugs. I absolutely love them, and I love how big they are. And I got this stamp set only because of this here and maybe like the script. I'm not very fond of the creepy eye, but yeah, the flower, I just couldn't pass up the flower, so I got that as well. And then I got the Photobooth pack of, I'll call them the vintage relatives. Yeah, vintage Photobooth strips. I absolutely love them. There is 40 pieces in here, and they are amazing. I really, really love them. All right, then I got the Layers Botanical. I believe I got the mini version of this, and I've been meaning to get the bigger size, just because I love the butterflies in here, and the floral images are so, so pretty. So there is 83 pieces in here, and of course these items aren't going to go on my Christmas project. These are just extra items that I threw in my cart. All right, so I purchased some more of these mini framed panels. I really loved them. They are a little bit pricey, but if you have the right project for them, they are perfect. I have some alcohol inked backgrounds that I want to put in here, and then put some resin on top for just a little something to give as a gift or something. I thought it would be fun. All right, then I got some stencils from Altenew. So I got the Leaf Drop stencil. Really, really love that one. And then the Mighty Corner stencil. Really love this one as well. Then I got some new paper. This is from Paper Roses, or Paper Rose? Paper Rose. Vintage poppy, and I love the poppies. I want to use them for a art journal page. I'm going to open it up and show you guys the paper. So these are one-sided, and they do have like a gloss, like a sheen to them, as you can see. They're pretty thick paper, nice quality. But just wanted to let you guys know that there is some sort of sheen on them. I love this one. This one would be a great background. The poppies are amazing. I love them. And there's 2 of each. So that's great. Love the postcard. And then this one as well. It's so pretty. These are the ones that I wanted. Love them. So yeah, so then it's just doubles of that. So I thought that was a beautiful collection. And then I got a couple freebies. So you always want to make sure to check out the coupons tab on scrapbook.com. They always have deals and what their sales are for that day or that week, whatever the case may be. I got this Celebrate Sizzix Thinlits die as a freebie, and you always want to make sure to see if you got the scrapbook and card, if they have the Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine for free as well. So that is always fun. All right, so that is my quick haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys do any fun Christmas things for your kids or your grandkids, or just in general if you like to decorate or anything like that. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye.